Alright, what you're looking at here is a 42-inch Encon Premier Deluxe ceiling fan, manufactured in August of 1988. This is installed in the office at my house. This is going to be permanent. Earlier today, I took down my Southern Breeze fan and put this up. Alright, I'll pick up the phone and give you a closer look at it. Alright, here's a better view. This fan is in polished brass. The globe is not original. The original globe was a really tiny schoolhouse globe. It shattered around October or November 2019. So yeah, it's long gone. I got this really cool globe at Lowe's yesterday and it looks much better on here. It matches the fan. It's got really lovely designs on it and you can see the inside of the globe. It's got pretzel-shaped blade arms. The blades are reversible stencil to non-stencil blades. Here's a top shot of the fan. Alright, I'll place the phone back down. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it for you. Here's the light. Here's low. Yeah, it is a little noisy, but I don't really mind. It's a little wobbly too, but I don't really mind about that either. It's not as noisy and wobbly as the Southern Breeze fan was. That fan was a piece of junk. You may be asking if I still have it or not. Yes, I still have it. It's still in my collection. I'm just probably never going to install it again. Yeah, this fan is much better. Very neat little spinner. Alright, here's medium. Alright, here's high. Here's a better view of it running. Alright, thanks for watching.